Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your sketch lighter in IbisPaint X. First, it is always a good idea to duplicate your original sketch layer. This creates a safe backup, allowing you to experiment freely without losing your initial work. Once duplicated, select this new layer. This ensures all your adjustments are applied to the copy, keeping your original sketch untouched and ready if you need it. A straightforward method to lighten your sketch involves adjusting the layer's opacity. Navigate to your Layers panel and select the sketch layer you wish to lighten. You will find an opacity slider, typically ranging from 0 to 100%. Moving this slider to a value like 30 or 40% will make your sketch lines appear much softer and lighter, perfect for inking. Another powerful technique is utilizing blending modes. In the Layers panel, tap on the blending mode option, which is usually set to normal. From the list, select Screen. This mode interacts with the layers below, making your sketch lines significantly lighter and more transparent. Experiment with other modes like Overlay for different effects, but Screen is ideal for lightening. For even more control, consider changing the actual color of your sketch lines. Instead of black, try a light gray, a soft blue, or even a pale brown. Additionally, explore the Filter tool. Within the filter options, you can fine-tune the brightness and contrast of your sketch layer, giving you precise control over its lightness and overall appearance. These methods offer great flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.